Hello students, in this video we are going to evaluate value of a cube plus b cube where we have two equations. First equation is a square plus b square, this is equals to 28, and another equation is a power 4 plus b power 4, this is equals to 584, where a and b both are greater than 0. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Now first look carefully equation number first. Equation number first is a square plus b square and this is equals to 28. Now if we substitute a square, this is equals to x, and b square, this is equals to y. Then in left hand side a square is x plus and b square is y, this is equals to 28. Now if we take square both side and in left hand side we have x plus y whole square and value of x square plus value of x plus y whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this is equals to 28 square is 784. Now this x is replaced by a square, so here a square bracket power 2 plus 2 times, and this x is replaced by a square and y is replaced by b square, so here b square plus, and this y is also replaced by b square and bracket power 2, this is equals to 784. Now we know that base and exponent rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m into n. If we apply this rule, then this 2 and this 2 is multiplied and this 2 and this 2 is multiplied. Then a power 4 plus, first if we write this expression, b power 4 plus 2 times a square times b square, and this is equals to 784. Now look carefully this expression. Here if we apply this rule, a power m times b power m, this is equals to a b bracket power m. If we apply this rule, a square times b square, this is equals to ab square. So here a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times a b bracket power 2, and this is equals to 784. Now look carefully equation number second. Value of a power 4 plus b power 4 is 584. So this expression is replaced by 584 plus 2 times a b square, and this is equals to 784. Now subtract both sides 584. Here subtract 584 and in right hand side subtract 584. Then this term and here 784 minus 584 is 200, and in left hand side 2 times a b square. Now divide both sides 2, then value of a b square, this is equals to 100. ab square, ab whole square, this is equals to 100. Now AB whole square, this is equals to 100 is 10 square. If we take all the expressions in same side, ab whole square minus 10 square, and this is equals to 0. Let us suppose this ab is x and this 10 is y. Then in left hand side, x square minus y square, x square minus y square, this is equals to x plus y times x minus y. If we apply this rule, then left hand side is ab plus 10 is multiplied by ab minus 10, and this is equals to 0. Now if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then this expression is a and this expression is b. So here we can say a b plus 10, this is equals to 0, a b minus 10, this is equals to 0. Value of a b is equals to minus 10, and here value of a b is equals to plus 10. Look carefully. It is given a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So here a b not negative. So this case is rejected, because if a and b both are greater than 0, then product of ab cannot be negative. So this value of ab is accepted. Here value of ab is 10. Now we know that a plus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square, first if we write a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, and this is equals to, look carefully, equation number first, a square plus b square is 28. So this a square plus b square is replaced by 28 plus 2a, and here value of ab is 10. So this ab is replaced by 10. A plus b whole square, this is equals to 28 plus 2 into 10 is 20. So value of a plus b whole square, this is equals to 48. Now here if you apply this rule, if a square, this is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. If we apply this rule, then here you can say a plus b, this is equals to plus minus square root of 48. A plus b, this is equals to plus minus square root of 48 is 16 times 3. A plus b, this is equals to plus minus, this expression is square root of 16 times square root of 3. A plus b, this is equals to plus minus square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 3. We have two values of a plus b. A plus b, this is equals to 4 times square root of 3, and second value of a plus b, this is equals to minus 4 times square root of 3. We know that a here a and b both are greater than 0. So if a and b both are greater than 0, then a plus b cannot be negative. So this case is also rejected. Value of a plus b is 4 times square root of 3. And a times b, this is equals to 10. Now we know that we need to calculate the value of this expression, which is a cube plus b cube. And we know that the algebraic identity of a cube plus b cube, this is equals to a plus b is multiplied by a square plus b square minus ab. So a cube plus b cube, this is equals to value of a plus b is 4 root 3 and a square plus b square is 28 minus ab is 10. Value of a cube plus b cube, this is equals to 4 times the square root of 3. 28 minus 10 is 18. A cube plus b cube, this is equals to 4 times 18 is 72 times the square root of 3. Here value of this expression a cube plus b cube is 72 times the square root of 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.